Hello everybody, today I will be adopting my Webkinz Siamese cat. Okay, so here she is. I think I'm probably going to name her Tiana. Here, my name her Tiana. Yeah, right now I'm working on the code. Yeah. Okay, so here I am going to adopt her. Yeah. Okay, now let's play with her. You know, it's not fully set. You know, I think that's fully set. So I'm just gonna fix it. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna open up our gift box once. Storage loads and it takes forever. So yeah, it's not really that steady. Okay. Loading. Okay, now. Okay, so got bonus gift box, yellow welcome balloon, and stylish Siamese CFA. Okay, her food is succulent terrain sardine. Sorry about the thing where you had to wait. I was fixing something on the pad. Okay, so her BSI. Yeah, I have another one of her BSIs because I got one from my sister who also has an account. She also has Siamese. So somewhere. Oh, there's. Here's what it looks like. It's really cool. It's real. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, is she sitting in it? I'll see. Okay, only one can say it. Yeah. Okay, so that was the adoption of my Siamese Tiana. So, goodbye.